Welcome to my channel. Today's home remedy saffron cream. Take a bowl, rose water 2 tablespoons, saffron threads 10 pieces, soak saffron threads in rose water for 10 minutes. Take a big bowl. Aloe vera gel 3 tablespoons. Saffron soaked in rose water 3 tablespoons. Mix well. Vitamin E oil 1 teaspoon. Again mix it. Almond oil 1 teaspoon. Again mix it. Transfer in a container. Benefits of the product: deeply hydrate and moisturize skin, brighten skin, keeps skin smooth and soft, rich in antioxidants, support a youthful and plump appearance, reduce tanning and rough patches, improve uneven skin tone, suits daily skincare and night care routine. Apply in circular motion. See the difference in between 3 to 4 days. Now, the saffron cream is ready to use.